Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change UAE Pass PIN code. In order to do it, you first have to launch your UAE Pass mobile application, and then you just have to provide your login credentials, and you simply need to log in into your account. Now, once you're successfully logged in, your home page will look something like this, where you need to simply click on the account tab in the bottom, and then you will be redirected on the next page where you need to click on the change PIN option. After clicking on the change PIN option, it will ask you to enter your PIN. But since we want to reset our PIN, you need to click on the forget PIN option. Afterwards, you will be landed on the reset PIN page where before giving you the reset PIN option, it will verify your email address and mobile. So you will have to verify both of these one by one with the help of OTP that is sent to you via your mobile number and your email address. Only after that it will give you the option of set your PIN. So you just have to provide the new PIN here, and then it will also ask you to re-enter your new PIN. After that, on the next page, it will prompt you that you have successfully reset your PIN in UAE Pass mobile application, and this is how you can basically do it. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.